Hi there, my friends. It's your boy Ashton Blake. And what I want to do is talk about the multiple income funnel and an update to my commissions and how a lot of people are crushing it with this system on a daily basis. So stay tuned. Okay, this is an update to the back office of the multiple income funnel. But before I go into more of the details, I'm gonna explain again what the system is all about. This is an automated system where all the selling and telling is done for you by Mac Mills, as you can see here, through 4 easy steps. As you can see here, where you basically sign up to all 4 income streams for higher income potential. Even though all 3 of these income streams here are optional, you just need the multiple income funnel. But if you want to plug in and take advantage of making $5,000 per sale as advertised, you definitely want to plug into all these systems, especially when it comes to traffic authority, where you can actually get the traffic and they have the visitors come to your links. Any of your links, any of these subdomains, we have your username embedded into them, and you basically send any of these, take any of these usernames, these subdomains, and send it to traffic authority as your traffic source that's already plugged into the system. And basically, traffic authority, what it'll do is send visitors to your links that will they'll see all 4 of these steps. Well, all they have to do is put in their sign up to each system and put in their usernames, which is already complete here for me, as you can see here. But Easy One Up, TextBot, Traffic Authority, you name it. And then step 3, you basically set up your e-wallet where you actually get paid, so you don't get delayed in payments. And then step 4 is basically Mac Mills giving you a walkthrough of where everything is in the back office. And I want to give you an update on my commissions under my business. As you can see here, matter of fact, let me just go to payments. I'm getting paid $300 already. Been through this system and, making recurring commissions month after month, as you can see here. And this is one income stream. While my other income streams, like Easy One Up, I'm still at $1,000, and TextBot, I'm at $100. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to those systems, show you those. Easy One Up. Let's sign up to that one. So 4. Yeah. Yeah, and one thing about Easy One Up, there's gonna be an update to the 2.0 that's yet to be released pretty soon. Like what you're seeing right now is just the early access. But here's my $1,000 commissions right here from one income stream 2, and TextBots. Let me stick that up. Sorry. TextBot. I got $100 for TextBot. So back to the multiple income funnel. Okay, I'm going to talk more about the links. So not only are you using these lead capture pages, video sales letters, and even free ebooks links to promote the system, but you can also create links for the sources that where the traffic come from. Like if they came from email or Hercules, or if your traffic came from Matrix Pro. Let's give you good examples. What you can do is you go to create new tracking link and pick any of those links, those capture pages, or video sales letters. So pick this video sales for example, and TA, which I put down, is the initials for Traffic Authority, if it came from Traffic Authority. So you basically run the traffic through that link, and it'll be identified as Traffic Authority. Or even Hercules. You can put that down, or, Facebook. You name it. You can put it all in here. Facebook. And just create a link right there.
and it'll come up. And traffic leads to traffic authority. That's another way to get to the fourth income stream. And your team, where like the people who sign up under you, who purchase the system, so they're basically your downline. So I don't want to show their personal information, so I'm basically going to tell you like this is exactly where your team is going to be if you want to look at it. And also the leads too, the people who opt into the system. And then people who are crushing it on the leaderboards. We have Daniel Klump here, #1 on the leaderboards right now. And like the people who did the most referrals, as you can see here, the most leads. Then you have the resource section. We have the email swipes. You get the web banners, which you can use. If you have any marketing with that, like you can definitely do that as a traffic source. Social media images for Facebook or Instagram or any other social media. You have Facebook posts, what you can use, and the training, very important. We have the 7-step success with MIF, multiple income funnel, where you see all these training videos, but they're pretty short, to the point, 13 minutes or 8 minutes. They're not like an hour or anything like that. They're basically like straightforward, showing you how to get traffic, and even how to time block. Like everybody's busy. Everybody got the family and stuff. They got things they got to do within the 24-hour period. So time blocking is that if you can time block, like take time out of your day, like at least 2 or 3 hours to promote the system and be consistent with it, you can definitely get those sales coming in. And also launch it with a bonus, which is very important. Like you want to get an incentive to people, like you're basically standing out from the crowd, like why they should buy from you. So that's when the bonuses comes in. And you got the marketing, like additional training for the marketing system success training as well. Show you like how to brand yourself, how to build authority. It's all here. And the most important thing about the training is the weekly MIF training calls. Now, the weekly MIF training calls are basically like the Monday night meetings at 5 p.m. And they're usually live. Once you be a part of this group, they're usually live. And then what they do the next day, they'll upload the replay of that live MIF training call. And it's basically team members where Daniel Klump interviews, seven-figure marketer Daniel Klump interviews many members who are killing it, crushing it with his system. You basically know their strategies and how they make money online with the multiple income funnel. And it's definitely videos to watch where you want to take notes, as you can see here. So there's a lot of informations. So they started out back in May, and it's something that's being consistent every Monday. So that's very important. And now I'll talk about the bonus income streams. Now for bonus income stream 5, it's my lead gen secret. Now, you probably heard about the system before a couple of years ago, but now it's a part of the multiple income funnel. And it makes a lot of sense because you're getting 100 leads per day, which equals to 3,000 leads per month. And if you ever do the upsell, you get 200 leads per day, which makes it 6,000 leads per month. And also you get the 10 email swipes for email these leads. And let me tell you something, these leads definitely convert. And I definitely got a couple of sales for my lead gen secret, which I highly recommend. And what I also highly recommend is bonus income stream 6, the Scalability Pro, by Traffic Authority, a course where Daniel Klump, seven-figure marketer Daniel Klump, will pull back the curtains, teach you how to scale from zero to full-time, where you learn how to build a launch, or create a launch. Learn how to get a budget, where you separate your personal expenses from your business expenses, and you know how to track, basically know your numbers, and so much stuff within this course. We can apply it to any business, even ClickBank or Warrior Plus, you name it. You learn it from a seven-figure earner, and plus you have the masterclass replays you can watch with this. And with the bonuses, you get Traffic Authority annual membership, and even to be qualified for Diamond package, where it was the highest income stream out of the whole entire multiple income funnel of $3,200 in commissions. That's a $10,000 value. And Scalability Pro is definitely a good income stream for beginners, intermediate, and pros alike. Now, all these income streams are completely optional, except for the income stream 1. But if you want to scale, I definitely advise you to definitely go for like Scalability Pro, or you lead me my lead gen secret to build up your leads list. The money's always in the list to get those sales. So this is actually a good system right here and here. And with a 90-day accelerator now, there's a competition for team members to see who will get the most referrals. What you do on here, for the cash prizes, you get the free traffic prize and the monthly giveaways, you get a daily discipline. Where you log into your back office, as you can see here, the back office of multiple income funnel, for example, and you complete an action once per day. You have to be honest. It'll have a prompt on there saying that they want to make sure that you follow directions, and you make a post or comment or interact with the Facebook group of the multiple income funnel, and you welcome even a team member, a new team member. And and you also, if you got a sale, you can post your commission screenshot within the Facebook group as well. So you get 50 points to even 100 points. And you can get more points too if you buy traffic through Traffic Authority. If you buy one of the income streams Scalability Pro, you get 2,000 points. You also get 2,000 points as well for that if you sell that too to your downline. And also, if you sell the multiple income funnel or Traffic Authority and another system, List Leverage, we get 250 points. And if you go annual membership with the multiple income funnel, you can get 1,000 points as well with that too. And with the extra points for the daily discipline, as you can see here. And you basically be able to be on the leaderboards. I'm at 56th place, so I'm not on the top 5. But this is the idea. You accumulate points by doing those daily activities. We can get monthly prize giveaways, as you can see here, cash prizes, and even free traffic for clicks. And now I want to talk about the Facebook group, which I highly recommend. 9,000 strong, and team members here are crushing it every single day within the system. Welcoming team members, brand new team members to the group, as you can see here, and people are getting sales like crazy. Let me show you a good example of this through the screenshots that keeps on updating every single day. You're seeing $20 in commission. Not only that, but residually every single month. And also the big commissions from Easy One Up and Traffic Authority, as you can see here. And also even TextBot, they had that $500 upgrade or even a $1,000 upgrade, which I heard about. So there's so much information on here, so much pictures of results of Premium was crushing it. And the system is no joke. You can really make sales like this. It's crazy. by Michael Day, making about $100K for the entire year of the income stream. That's 6 figures right there. And that's one income stream alone. That's not even his other income streams, which he also made a lot at. So, you know, like you add them up together, like he basically almost at $1 million too, as a matter of fact, too, because he's been crushing it with the system. So, you know, even as a beginner, you can definitely crush it with this. And speaking for beginners, let's see, here we go. You got Sarah, who was crushing it. She started out in August, didn't know what she was doing, didn't know anything about affiliate marketing or marketing in general. So she took action, got her first 3 sales, and not only that, she got become one of the top 10 on the leaderboards. And then now, a recent sale now, as you can see here, at $882. $882 right here. From a new team member. An inspiration to new team members everywhere. So, if she can do it, you can definitely do this. So without further ado, that's it for this. Before I go, I want to mention too that, you know, if you were to purchase the upgrade of the multiple income funnel, I'll give you 100 free clicks. Literally 100 free clicks if you take action on that. Purchasing that upgrade and, you know, taking advantage of the system. And also have a lot of bonuses as well when you join it with my team. And that involves free traffic.
Okay, that's about it for the end of this video. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the link down below to join my team for the multiple income funnel. And I'll see you on the inside. Peace.